पीपल्स, सूट बूट में हूँ मैं कौन, अभिनव त्यागी। आज का हमारा एपिसोड और सेगमेंट बेस्ड है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और अमेजिंग टॉपिक पे। हैव यू गाइस एवर प्लेड चेस? डू यू नो हाउ ऑलवेज द क्वीन हैज प्रोटेक्टेड द किंग? यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज क्वीन इज इक्वल टू करेज, इज इक्वल टू वुमन। ऑफ कोर्स दे आर ब्यूटिफुल, they are smart and they are caring, but at the same time they are strong AF. Guys, आज का हमारा सेगमेंट बेस्ड है हैप्पी इंटरनेशनल विमेंस डे पे। तो आइए आज की हमारी महिलाएं, भारतीय नारियां क्या सोचती हैं इस ऑस्पिशियस दिन के बारे में। लेट्स सी। What if you were given a choice to be born as a man or a woman? What would you want to be in your next life?
A woman.
Woman, for
A
sure.
woman, for sure.
अब इस जन्म में महिला बन चुके हैं तो अगले में आदमी।
Women. Women. Women.
Woman.
Women. Always.
Woman. Definitely a woman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woman.
Yeah, woman.
Why so?
Because I want to be Deepika Padukone. Because women is very powerful. I feel emotionally, physically, in all aspects.
Because I'm enjoying my life.
I love myself. I love being what I am. That's it.
I'll prefer to be a man in my next life because of freedom.
मुझे मेरी लाइफ बहुत पसंद है, मैं अपनी लाइफ से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ एज अ फीमेल।
I like being a woman and I feel more confident being a woman. So
Because anything a man can do, a woman can do better.
मेरे अंदर ही वो पावर है कि मैं एक नई जिंदगी को जन्म दे सकती हूँ।
What is your stress buster? How do you relieve your stress?
Dance.
Dance.
Yeah, I just dance when I have to release my stress.
I'm like engaging into my hobbies. Like I like to play volleyball or anything like sketching or painting. Basically by eating. Dig into chocolates and stuff like that.
Yes, I sleep it off. If I can't see my problem, my problems don't exist.
And just listening to soft music, old music is my stress buster.
By meeting people and doing chit chat and everything with friends.
I either have lots of chocolates.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल म्यूजिक एंड माई फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप। नेक्स्ट इज माई हस्बैंड।
You know, distract my mind or something.
मैं खुश रहने के लिए राइटिंग करती हूँ,
अच्छा,
मैं
आप
पोइट्रीज लिखती हूँ, स्टोरीज लिखती हूँ और मुझे गाना बहुत पसंद है, मैं गाना गाती हूँ।
Usually, if I want to say something to someone, I'll just go to there and I'll say whatever it is. Or if that's not possible, I keep on writing the letter to myself.
That is so good. मतलब कभी कभी तो या तो फिर कभी कभी What is the most difficult thing to handle? Men, parents, society or period cramps?
Society and men both depends at times. Period cramps. Period cramps. Definitely.
सोसाइटी।
Men, yeah, men little bit of difficult to handle.
Society.
Unnecessarily they want to interfere in your life.
Men. Stop your drama.
पीरियड क्रैम्प्स, वेरी इरिटेटिंग, दैट इज वेरी इरिटेटिंग।
I don't know, maybe sometimes men I feel so.
Men are very easy to handle.
What is the first reaction that comes to your mind when I say shopping?
Wow.
चलो
Any
wow.
anytime. Anytime. Come on.
I love shopping.
Yeah, I love shopping.
Shopping is like of course it's another second stress buster.
Men's day.
Men's day, do they have it? You don't need a men's day.
Men's day. They have it every day. What do they need a special day for?
Every day you feel like you have that day. It's too much these days under the name of womanism. So even men deserve equal opportunity.
Marriage pressure.
Oh my god, I want to run away.
I have friends who are getting pressurized to get married at this age. So yeah, it depends.
No, at times even when we scroll down Facebook nowadays, it's like somebody got engaged, somebody got married, and it so yeah, obviously that's going on, but there is no solution. If there is someone that will come.
I don't think the pressure is really on in the same way it was earlier. I think people are getting married at a much later age now.
नहीं, अभी तो कुछ एकदम मैरिज प्रेशर बोलते घूमने लग गया।
पता ही नहीं, मैं तो बौखला गई। What did you just say?
So it's like more of because of society, you can say. So parents, please don't do that.
What if I talk about rape?
Rape.
Worst nightmare to anyone. worst thing to happen to anybody.
Rape, that's fucked up.
Horrible.
It's horrible. What the people, the mindset, it's really disturbing.
Men who is doing rape, I think they should be given the worst punishment ever, and it's the worst thing ever. Rape, yeah.
We should hang those people. Government should hang.
Disgusting
Exactly.
thing that a person can do. Disgusting thing. Yeah. They should be basically put into jail for like
They should
lifetime.
hang.
Yeah.
Hang to death, that's it. Stop.
Woo-hoo. Guys, I had a ball time. So we all are happy celebrating the International Women's Day. But is it enough? A few days back, there was gang rape in Delhi again. You know the sad part? Rape is the only crime where the victim becomes the accused. But do you know what's the best part? The best part is some rape victims do stand up against this ruthful act, and they prove that this will not be spared. Because it's like they've only survived because of the fire inside them that was heavier than the fire around them. And that's how they are winners. They are winners for life. Happy International Women's Day, and this one is for all the beautiful people on the planet Earth. And let me tell you this, especially men, please don't only pamper them but protect them. And एक लास्ट बात बोल दूं पक्का, I love you beauty. अरे सच्ची I love you. दीदी कसम से आई शपथ घेतो तुझी I love you ना. Happy International Women's Day. Peace. जाऊ का? मैं आए? अरे क्या? Happy International Women's Day. As always, Facebook, Twitter and Insta. Please do follow us, like, subscribe and share. One. Michael Jackson step करूँ क्या?